Welcome to this electrical workshop series video on battery sizing. We'll answer the question, how many hours is a 200Ah backup, and go over the professional electrician's guide to achieving the expected backup time. We begin with part 1, the core fundamentals. We will explore why amp hours, or Ah, is only half the story for a real-world installation. Let's dive into the core fundamentals of battery sizing. Amp hours, or Ah, is a measurement of chemical charge capacity. 200Ah technically means the battery can deliver 10 amps for 20 hours or 20 amps for 10 hours. However, current alone doesn't give you the total power. You must multiply by voltage to get watt-hours, or real energy, using the formula WH equals VXA. A critical factor is the Peukert effect. Higher loads drain batteries faster than the simple math suggests. For instance, pulling 100 amps from a 200Ah battery won't give you 2 hours. It will likely give you 1.5 hours due to heat losses. Now let's move to part 2, the master formula. This section covers the calculations that account for real-world inefficiencies and losses. Starting with the theoretical limit, on a 12-volt DC system, a 200Ah battery stores 2,400 watt-hours of potential energy. This is your starting point before any losses are applied. The same 200Ah pack stores 4,800 watt-hours in a 24-volt system. We must consider the depth of discharge, or DOD. The golden rule for lead-acid batteries is never to drain them to 0%. For long life, limit use to 50%. This means only 100Ah of usable backup from a 200Ah battery before risking damage. Real-world systems have losses. Inverter loss is 10 to 20% lost as heat. Ambient temperature, especially cold weather, slows chemical reactions, reducing capacity. Finally, undersized cables cause voltage drop, leading to premature battery shutdown. This Electrician's install checklist covers best practices. Use minimum 2 over 0 AWG for high current discharge. Ensure terminals are torqued to spec, as loose connections are the #1 cause of low backup complaints. Also, ensure adequate ventilation and set the low voltage disconnect on the inverter correctly. When expanding, series connections double the voltage, keeping the same Ah, and are best for high power loads. Parallel connections double the capacity, keeping 12 volts, and are best for long run times at lower voltages. For systems over 1000 W, higher voltage series connections are preferred to reduce energy loss. Are you ready for the install? Here is the summary formula. Hours equals Ah times voltage times efficiency times depth of discharge, all divided by the load in watts. If you need technical support, dial the component manufacturer.